Never before has a laser tool combined cleaning and underwater welding capabilities like the X1 series. With no need for cumbersome professional training, even beginners can pick it up quickly, making the repair of a damaged toy as effortless as soothing a child. As the world's first micro-laser welder, the X1 laser is equipped with the most cutting-edge laser welding technology. It uses a high-energy laser beam delivered through continuous pulses to create dense weld points precisely at the seams. This amazing technology allows the X1 laser to handle metal sheets as thin as 0.2 millimeters with ease, producing minimal deformation during the welding process and leaving behind beautiful, seamless welds that require no subsequent grinding. Compact and highly portable, the X1 laser can be moved anywhere, making it perfect for both home repairs and outdoor tasks, easily adapting to various complex environments. This is a man's secret, a boundless love for machinery and creation. Building a dream car from scratch fulfills a childhood wish. Imagine a father and son working side by side, using the X1 laser's exceptional craftsmanship to create a metal rose together. This is not just a birthday surprise, it's a heartwarming gesture of family love and sweetness. The X1 laser gives every man who loves life a most reliable companion, ready to create endless possibilities together.